Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about keys in the alley. So um, in the alleys there are things we can't do, like iteration. If we do that, it will be a big pain in the ass though. So what we're gonna do is use the key method. So what key returns is a new array iterator. That object contains each of the keys index in the array. That means it gonna make you some an array with the indexes. So let me show you. Create a var array 1 equals use this, create array a comma b comma c. And the thing is, you need to print a loop where you do not need this thing. You need like the index of that. So like when you want to, like that. But if you're using the for loop, you will get a b c like that. So that's a problem. So what we're gonna do is iterator, create a iterator variable. Oh, wow, Asad, you do not know any spellings. Iterator array 1 dot keys, and then use the for loop. Let key of iterator, and inside that, oh fuck, and log it on a console, and press key. Now when we do that, it's gonna give you the one index of that, so 0 1 2 3. But if we do for the array 1, it will be showing ABC like that. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.